Crispy Tubers, it's your boy Ben Crisps. Just out here trying to get a little exercise during the quarantine. You know, trying to find ways to cope. The best thing about being a celebrity is that you don't have to tip when you go to get your hair cut, get a little glam up during the corona. Called my barber, said let's do this thing. You know, exposure is worth more than any money you can give them. So I don't even bother, and they know. Shades, check.
Well, in continuance of my quarantine breaking rebellion, I guess you'd have to call it, insurrection, something, I don't know. I decided I'm going to actually have to ship myself out of the state of California to try to get away. I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do it. I have to find first a box big enough to ship myself in. No. Maybe.
They opened up the country yesterday so that we could go outside. Your mother and I decided that you deserve some free time in the world. Hey Crispy Tubers, we're just out here on the first day of opening up our country. Down here at Lincoln Street in beautiful Ontario, Canada. And we thought we'd check out the potato store because that's where everyone hangs out, right? And look at that line. Look at all that social distancing that they're doing. It's really fantastic, isn't it?
Well, I should be on my way to someplace safe right now. I'm not entirely sure where I was going to go. I kind of just put a label on it. I didn't actually look at what the label was or what country or time zone or whatever I'm going to, but you know, I put bubble wrap in, so I should be safe. I forgot food or water or air holes or oh no, my wallet. No, there it is. I can feel it. It's in my butt.
You know, America, we tried to open up. We tried to give you a little bit of freedom to go outside, to be yourself, to engage in the economy. But you know what? You screwed up. You couldn't be trusted, and as a result, me and your mother are grounding you. I'm sorry, America, but you have to stay inside for another 3 months. I don't know what to tell you until you get your act together. You're gonna spend a lot of time in your room staring at the ceiling, touching yourself, finding ways to get serotonin and dopamine to flow. But you're disgusting. You need to stop. You need to stop. So when they opened it up, your boy Ben Crisps went for a run, you know, like I do. But I sprained my ankle, so that's 3 more months of lockdown for you. I'm sorry, you just don't deserve freedom yet.
Damn it. Oh, I'm getting sick. It is impossible to read in this thing. Gotta do something else. I gotta figure out some other way to occupy myself during this flight. I know.
A typical activity upon entering Crisp Studios is we, after going outside in the coronavirus, would you shut up? We like to come inside and just disinfect our shoes disinfect our shoes because the ground is full of the virus that you and your disgusting, degenerate friends and neighbors leave your coronavirus all over the ground. And so we have to come in here and get our shoes completely clean because I don't want any of your disgusting viruses in my clean studio. Every day, fresh for you, America, even though you misbehave and you're still grounded.
Well, I may have forgot a bunch of essentials, and I may have keistered my wallet in a misunderstanding of how to smuggle, but what I did remember is my music, because I can never forget my electronic dance music roots. So here we go. Hit it! I also brought my portable fog machine. That's some good fog machine.
One last thing, America. Your mother and I have been meaning to tell you this for a while. You're adopted. Your real parents are Jenna Jameson and Tito Ortiz. I'm sorry, we've been just distracted with this whole lockdown thing. I know this is hard to hear, but your mother and I are really disappointed in America. Sad in general, but your mother and I are getting a divorce, and it is your fault. So, because in the end, crispy tubers, in the final analysis, when it all comes out in the wash, what it all comes down to really is love. Do you love yourself enough to take a bullet for probably the best cooking show on YouTube, Cook Eat Life? Now, I wouldn't, but you might. Smash that like if you would.
All this partying, it really works up the sweat.
What the hell is this, fan mail? I didn't order anything. Get rid of this thing. Why is Cook Eat Life probably the best cooking show on YouTube?
Because you bought me ice cream.